Tirop Angels, we started at a point where we were at our lowest. We had lost Agnes. We were seeking for answers as to why gender-based violence had to take Agnes away. And for all of us, we did not see the signs of gender-based when you looked at Agnes. She was a beautiful girl who smiled, and everywhere she went, she left, she inspired everyone, and that's why we are still following on her footsteps to this day. And when we started this Tirop Angels, we were going to villages to speak about gender-based violence. We thought we were going to camps, especially to talk to athletes. But as more people came to us and report issues of GBV, we realized that it is a pandemic that is affecting everybody in our community and especially in the whole country. Elgeyo Marakwet, there's a big red flag of GBV. And the leading GBV here in Elgeyo Marakwet is defilement.
Watoto wetu wa Don't Touch. Kuna project mzuri ambayo inakuja ya kuwalinda watoto na tutaweza kushirikiana na wao. Asante.
Hatuwezi kupoteza kina Agnes tena. County yetu iko katika county 22 ambao imewekwa the red alarm. Katika Kenya mzima sisi tuko katika ile 22 counties bling red. Inasema hapa GBV ni hotspot.
Na